Can you believe Weather Nation has the goal to show you the frequencies, very powerful and harmful microwave frequency transmissions that are manipulating and steering and pushing Hurricane Barry? That's what all those are. Those are all frequencies, and I just can't believe the deception. Weather Nation's not talking about all those microwave frequency transmissions pushing and steering this storm, this hurricane. So I'm glad I got to catch this, show you guys it, hold these people accountable peacefully and professionally. But, why aren't they talking about those ripple effects? Obviously, we know why, because they're covering the tracks for the climate engineers. Thanks for watching. Hoss out.